Jason George, Wildlife Adventure. In this episode, we are back in the bush with that barred owl family. But this time, we get some clear footage of them hooting and hollering. Well, maybe not hollering, just hooting. Let me know in the comments if you've ever heard a barred owl hooting. Have you ever heard any owl hooting? It's pretty awesome getting to hear the owls talking. I have an eastern screech owl video where you can hear them talking. Do you think they sound the same? How many different noises have you heard the barn owl make? I am so fascinated by owls and the way that their heads turn. I love how quickly they can go from side to side and how slowly they go. Look at the rotation. Man, I could watch owls all day. Actually, to be completely honest, I've spent quite a bit of time with this family of owls. I set up in the forest and I just chill and watch them and hope to see them interacting. So far, I've gotten some pretty cool footage of them preening, coughing up a pellet, and maybe the coolest footage is one of them eating a vole. It's quite graphic, but if you check out videos 1 and 2, you can see the owl eating. And I also dissected one of the owl pellets that I saw these owls eating. That was pretty cool. I hope that you're enjoying this video and that maybe you click subscribe and check out some of my other videos that I have on my YouTube channel. What's your favorite animal? Maybe I have a video of it as I go underwater with a whole bunch of different animals. Sharks, loons, beavers. I hang out with lions at nighttime, leopards, and I even have a video of a snow leopard mating. Yeah, that was an awesome experience in India. I have videos of tigers, and I have a whole bunch of videos of owls because they're a hoot to watch. And most of the time, they don't do much. So when you get to see them preening, it's a truly blessed experience. And this one was preening quite a bit. And it's awesome that it's cleaning its talons and it's facing the camera. Like, what are the chances that I set up and it's turned this way to preen? It could have been the other way. But I'm so blessed to catch this opportunity and be able to share it with you. I wonder how long or how many hours a day an owl preens itself. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Have you ever seen an owl feather that has fallen on the ground? I remember one winter when I was watching this owl family in a tree pretty close by that I found a small barred owl feather blowing over the snow. It was so cool to find an actual feather from the owl that I was watching. I can remember another owl that I was able to locate thanks to Holly spotting one in an owl's nest. Yeah, she found an owl in the nest. I call that owl Holly's Hole, and it's talked about in my book. But we'll talk a little bit more about that later in this episode. But if you do like owls, you might want to check out my Going Deeper with Jason George owl book. It's pretty cool. It's owlsome. Sorry, I'm going to lay off the bad jokes. I know most of you want to hear the barred owls hooting. So before we get there, the owl needs to preen itself, I guess. But no, in a moment, honestly, we're going to listen to a full few minutes of barred owl trying to communicate with either myself or its mate. And it's a pretty cool experience. And I hope that you're enjoying this video. So please like, share, subscribe, and check out some of the other things I do, like my hot sauce or my wildlife club. But let's get back to that hooting and hollering. So this barred owl is about to start conversing. And I'm actually going to go quiet for a bit so that we can just watch and listen. This is unedited footage, so from now until a little while, this is what it sounds like. Well, now my camera goes out of focus, and luckily I figured that out and was able to fix it. But there's no return call. I wonder if it's just sending a message, or if it's wondering where its mate is. Maybe its mate is laying an egg in the nest. Well, that's just my thought. What do you think? Calling to each other, that's so cool. Sitting here listening. So I'm starting to notice that there's a little change in the neck area right before it makes a hoot. Can you notice it? It truly is a blessed experience that I'm getting to hang out with this owl so much, and it's hooting. I know that there's the second owl because on the first day that I spotted the owls, I saw both of them together. And if you watch videos 1 and 2, you'll see them together. That was an awesome experience. It's not often that you get to see 2 owls together. And that's what makes me think that this is a mating pair. Now, if I could only find the nest, that would then top it off. Because then I could hopefully be able to find some owlets. So, fingers crossed that I can find the nest and the owlets at some point. I have a whole bunch more videos coming about this experience. I do actually have a video where I have them talking back and forth. But right now, let's listen to this guy. So if you ever hear this noise, you know that it's a barred owl. Have you ever found the barred owl or an owl after hearing the noise? It's actually really tough to try to find the owl after the noise. But hearing the noise means that you're at least in the right area. Who cooks for you? Who cooks for you? Yo. It'd be so cool to know what the owl was saying to the other owl. What do you think that they were talking about? Leave it in the comments. A bunch of ducks just went by. Low flying. Well, this has been a truly blessed experience. I'm so excited that this barred owl family is so close to me. And I hope that you are enjoying the video and that you're learning something about owls. Leave it in the comments what you've learned about owls if you've watched to this point. Well, this owl is about to get ready to go. And I think it's kind of hidden in the bush, so it's going to actually have to hop out. Or is it hunting something? I'm not really sure because its eyes are closed. But all of that can change pretty quickly. See? It's ready. It's hunting. Is it hunting those ducks? Does it see a snake? Ooh. Yeah. It's onto something. Look at those eyes. It's got a purpose. It hops, and now it's gone. And I do hope that you've enjoyed this experience. And there's so much more to come. Check out some of the other videos. And please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep enjoying the wildlife.